All right, we have the Thunder Buster Super Assortment. We paid $80 for this. Maybe we got ripped off. Who knows? But Davis has arranged these by size. We're going to do some of the medium and large ones tonight. See what they look like. Sophie, is that your first pick? Brain freeze. Davis, what's your first pick? Go with the medium first, and then we'll go to the big.
No, but we're doing small first. So she does this one. I do King Kong.
King Kong. Okay. Well, we'll see what they look like. All right, we got the brain freeze up there. We got the hose ready to go. Everyone in the neighborhood have their hearing aids turned off. And are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go.
Hold on a second, Paul.
Okay. Here we go. Brain freezing. Oh. Whoa, whoa. Nice. Are we professional or what? Next one is
King Kong.
King Kong. Go ahead and put it right there in the middle there, bud.
I'll take this one away.
No, it's hot. It's hot. Are you crazy?
How do you feel about that?
All right, here we go. Woo! What's the name of the next one?
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
So
Okay.
try one.
We're going to take a little pause for some dogs to walk around because we don't want to scare them.
I don't know what this one's called.
Oh, read it, read it.
Bombs away, I think it is.
Fianza Buster.
Let me see. Let me hold it up. Oh, Pinata Buster. Let's do Pinata Buster. You can only put one at a time.
That's sand. I thought that was a hole.
Okay, hold. Keep the other one. Pinata Buster. Here we come.
Here we go.
right, what's this one called, bud? Dancing sombreros? All right. Nice. Let's see what this one looks like.
Yeah, we have a hole in it already.
That's all right. That's why we got it. That's fine. That's the whole point of that.
What are you doing?
You ready? Give us a countdown, bud.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, what's this one, bud?
I don't really
Let me read it. It's called Pyroglastic. Pyroglastic. All right, you guys can give me the countdown when you're ready.
Give that a countdown. 3, 2, 1.
Come on now.
That's back up. Global lights.
Global lights, okay.
After this one, I think we have prehistoric fire.
All right, good. All right, anybody want to give me the countdown? Davis, you ready?
Yep. Wait, let me get up here. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait a minute here.
got left?
After these two, there's one.
Okay.
So there's three more really. So this one, and one more.
Okay.
All right.
No, this one, then one more.
Just hand me one. Hand me one.
Fire.
Prehistoric fire. Okay. Hey, this might be like a volcano, Sophie. It's like prehistoric fire. Countdown.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I like these that don't go. Oh, I like these that don't go. Yeah, I'm not gonna-
This one is called Feliz Fountain. Maybe it's got a little Spanish flavor to it. Feliz Navidad, something like that.
I'll give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. It's called Crackling Glory.
Crackling Glory. Okay, I'm going to do some super slow-mo on. All right, so Davis, what'd you think? $80 worth of fireworks is pretty decent?
Yeah, that's nice.
All right, good. Sophie, what'd you think? That was pretty good?
Those are actually decent.
All right, good. All right, this will be a tradition.